Hey guys, my name is Ms. Pinckney and I am the creator of the wig wall. I came up with the less expensive option and here it is. I grabbed these hooks from Home Depot. Here's the receipt. I laid them all out and grabbed my drill. You can buy one and take it back to the store. I started by inserting the hooks on the wall with my drill. I just put them any kind of way. These hooks are $5 a piece. It works absolutely amazing versus the $2,000 option, which is what I have in my Las Vegas wig store. I found a cheaper way so you can make it work at home for you. These hooks are $5 a piece. If you have 10 or 15 wigs, it's just a lot cheaper than spending $60 on the head and an additional $20 for the hooks and blah, blah, blah. So I found this option to be more convenient for most people. This wall here cost me about $5, $10, $15, $20, $25, $30, $35, maybe $60. So I just added me some hooks to the wall here. You can put them anywhere in your closet. Use the styrofoam heads. I found those to be most convenient. And this is just a small sample of the easiest way, one of the easiest ways to do it. And later on in the video, I'll show you 2 other ways that I found to be great. Oh, you cute girl. So here I just put 9 heads on the wall. The hooks are $5 a piece. And it took me about 15 minutes. It's a great way to organize your wigs and a great way to keep them styled and not in the closet on the floor or in a bag. This is my $5 method by using the thumbtacks and just putting the wigs straight on the wall. I found by having them on the wall, you can visually see exactly what you want to wear with them and you know exactly what you have. This is the wig wall in my Las Vegas store.